This video will showcase one of our Energy Star partners, the Detroit 2030 District and their House of Worship Energy Treasure Hunt pilot. The pilot was a collaboration of 6 Detroit churches that voluntarily set out to make their worship facilities more energy efficient over a period of 8 months. The way the churches were selected was through Connie Liley. She reached out to churches within their network, asking for volunteers who were interested in participating in the pilot.
Every month we had a meeting and concentrated on one part of the treasure hunt, such as lighting, HVAC, rain gardens, whatever we could do to help them reduce their carbon emissions and operating expenses.
During the Energy Treasure Hunt, volunteers and employees from the church walked around the building and searched for ways they could reduce energy and water use.
Information sharing was hugely beneficial and kind of reduces the intimidation level one can feel when faced with the amount of work they have to do on a building when it costs so much money.
EPA headquarters and regional Energy Star reps were instrumental in the planning of the treasure hunt and coaching the coaches virtually during the walkthroughs.
EPA was a great partner in this, in that they provided guidance, templates, checklists.
Each church team had a coach and a dedicated technical support team to assist them with the walkthroughs, and also to help them track their energy use, an Energy Star's portfolio manager.
We've had the ideas for a while, but we didn't know where to go and how to sequence it all and what the technical information was. So now we have the contacts we need to follow up on all those.
The average worship facility can save up to 30% energy through no-cost actions, strategic investments, smart operations, and maintenance. That's money saved that could be repurposed for other ministry priorities. At the end of the 8 months, the churches had learned many best practices. Over 100,000 square feet of building space was entered into Portfolio Manager for benchmarking, and the churches were in a better position to implement energy improvement projects.
It's really just been a pleasure to be involved with the Detroit 2030 District's Houses of Worship Treasure Hunt.
They're really leading by example in terms of reducing their energy use, cutting carbon emissions, and conserving their water.
I think the most important thing is to help us shift some of those costs from our building operations back into missions so that we can do more in the community and do what we want to do rather than spending it on energy.
To learn more about the Energy Star Congregations program and how to get involved, visit www.energystar.gov/congregations.